Amazing stuff that you can do with JavaScript console. So let's see it. Console.table will show your data in a perfect way, like your list, your JSONs or something. First of all, you have the data, like I have this data JSON that has name and last name and many other things. And in the bottom, I have console.table, and I will run it and you see the perfect result for this code. Console.count method counts how many times the particular console.count has been called, like this code. Of course, you can declare a variable called, for example, j and j++ console.log_j, but where is the fun in that? You can't lie to yourself. So if you have an error, just use console.error, and it looks like this. Console.group helps you to manage your logs, especially when you have a bigger project. You can use it by just call console.group and your group name, and after that everything you call console.log goes to that group, and to end the group just write console.group end and the group ends, and you can see after that everything is not in that group. You can create a subgroup just after the console.group and before the console.group end. Call the group console.group again, and you have the subgroup in the console.group. Console.time shows you how long it takes to do a task. You start a timer by writing console.time. I entered alert to ask a question from user, and console.time ended the timer, and it shows me how long it took the user responded to me. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.